Today, we're going to review Unit 2 that you studied last semester. It is classroom objects.
In today's lesson,
And here is what we're going to be looking at. First, we will review classroom objects, the vocabulary, working on our pronunciation. Then we'll use some picture cards and word cards to match together. Then we'll play a game called 10 Questions with Objects. After we have worked on classroom objects, we'll work on review of positions. And we'll look at the vocabulary for positions. There are 3 words that we'll focus on. Then we will play some with a Quizlet for position. We'll do Kahoot exercise and a Ventures exercise. Finally, we'll have a conversation exercise. Okay, here is our vocabulary. I will say the word and you will repeat after me. You notice that first the word is in Spanish, and here is what it means in English. We're going to work on our English. Okay, are you ready? Pen. Everyone say pen. Eraser. Eraser. Computer. Computer. Now, there are 2 types of computers. Here is the picture of a laptop, or some people say PC. This is a desktop computer. Okay, notebook, notebook, crayon, crayon, dictionary, dictionary. Number 7 is stapler, stapler. 8 is desk, desk. 9, pencil, pencil. 10 is book, book. 11 is a bag, like a backpack. You carry your books in the bag. 12, paper, paper. 13, a whiteboard, whiteboard. 14, ruler, ruler. 15, highlighter, highlighter. And there's a picture of a highlighter. Number 16, pencil sharpener, pencil sharpener. 17, chair, chair. Now, here are some more classroom objects and the position. Tape. We tape things on the board. Birthday, birthday. Under, under. In. Classroom, classroom. On. Class schedule, class schedule. Teacher, teacher, or if it were maestro, it would still be teacher. Glue, glue. Floor, floor, and scissors. Now, what we did in class today was everyone received these pictures. And I would point, like I said, okay, here is a book. Find the word for book. Find the word for book. And here it is. Okay, here's a pencil. Pencil. Where is the word for pencil? Here it is. Pencil. Here's a desk. Can you find desk? Yes, there's desk. Desk. Here's a chair. Where's the word for chair? Here it is, chair. Notebook. Notebook. Here's notebook. Notebook. And finally, laptop or computer here. Computer, it's a laptop, but it's a type of computer. And here's the word computer, computer. Okay, and I had more of those, but just to show you what we did in class today, here this is. Then we played 10 questions. We played 10 questions. There were 2 teams, equipo A, equipo B. And here are the rules for it. Okay. For instance, I may have been thinking of a desk, and a student would ask, is it small? I would say, no. Another one would say, is it on the floor? I would say, yes. Another one might say, can you write on it? And I would say, yes. Then they would guess, it's the table. So we played this game. Then we practiced our position vocabulary for under, in, and on. And I would take something like, I think it was a pencil, and I put it here and I would say, where is the pencil? Students would say, it is under the table. I would put it here. Where is the pencil? It is in the drawer. I'd put it on the chair and then I'd go, where is the pencil? It's on the chair. Okay. So we worked with that several minutes. Then we did the Quizlet, and it was to practice seeing where different objects were. And I will, if you go back here, see, this is where it is. And all you would have to do is, well, it moved. Okay. HTTPS. And you would click on that and you would go into Quizlet so that we could practice more on where, and it was a cat. Okay. We wanted to practice where is the cat. Like here, the cat is what? On the carpet. Yes, the cat is on the carpet. Okay, and we played that for a while. Next, we worked with Kahoot. And that was, I want to go back. Okay, now we're going to work on Kahoot, if I can ever get this to open. Okay, Aha, just a minute. I want to go to my Kahoot. And I cannot find Kahoot. Okay, let's wait a minute and I will find Kahoot. Hey, come on, Kahoot. There. And I'm trying to make my Kahoot come open. And I'm not having a good. Okay, here it is. Okay, here we are. I'm hoping that you will be able to see this. Okay, it's doing well. Okay. I'm hoping that you can play this. Okay, I don't want that one. Okay, let me see. I'm trying to make, I'll stop sharing a minute. Then I will share the screen once more. That's not the one I want. Okay, it's not doing here. Okay, let's see what happens here when I try to do my meeting. I'm having troubles here. Okay. This is the Microsoft PowerPoint. I don't want that one. I want it to go to. Anyway, we played a Kahoot. And I'm not sure why it's not showing the Kahoot, but it should be. We will try and see if this is it. This is not it. Your screen sharing. And it is not coming up. I don't know why it's not sharing, but it's supposed to stop sharing. Okay, I'm gonna pause. Okay, here we go. I finally got it. I think, I hope. No, that is not it. Okay, thank you for this. Okay, it says, listen, what do you need? So we would listen to this.
What do you need, Kim?
A pen.
Okay, so it was a pen. See, there it is. Let's listen to what do you need for the next one?
What do you need, Stefan? A ruler.
Okay, a ruler. Then I find, what was it? A ruler. And we did each one of those. Then we would look on, that was the listening. Now we're going to look and listen. And this one says, where is the ruler? And so we have to, where is it? It's under the chair. Okay. So I would go, yeah, under the chair. And this is what we did for each one of those. Okay, the next thing that we did was we went into ventures and we did unit 2, started at school. We would see a picture of this. And what was it? It was a book. We're right. What are these? They're pens. What is this? A stapler. What is this? A notebook. What is this? Calculator. And what are these? Rulers. Then we listened and we chose what we heard.
Where are the pens?
And we heard pens.
Where's the calculator?
Okay, so we did for each of those. Then we did the prepositions again. We listened
Where's the book?
It's on the shelf.
and we heard on.
Where's the pencil sharpener?
It's on the wall.
And we would click what we heard.
Where's the dictionary?
It's under the table.
Okay, so we did that. We also did singular and plural. Okay, is the calculator on the table? Now, we're going to answer that, but we have to look, what is the subject? Calculator, and it's one thing. So it is an it. So we would go, yes, it is, because they means that there's more than one. Here it's notebooks. It's plural, 2, 3, 4, a whole bunch. So it will be they. So which one has they? Aha. Are the notebooks in the filing cabinet? Yes, they are. Are the rulers in the box? And it has to be plural, S. So that means they. No, they aren't. Now we skipped this part. Okay, we skipped this part. So we did objects, playing around with the different things. Then what we did was we also, I forgot what we did. I'd forgotten one thing that we did, and that was we also had, I gave out cards, and people, I would say, draw the pencil on the table, and people would draw the pencil on the table. So, you know, that worked very well. Okay, let's try. There it is. And I'm gonna go down here. This is where I had this picture, but I had people draw theirs on a card. Then we played pass the paper. Okay, pass the paper. And a student, I would give a folded piece of paper with a question on it to the first student, and that student would have to pass the paper for the music. When the music stopped, the person with the piece of paper had to answer the question. Okay, now for instance, let's see. Okay. Let's see what happened to my. Okay. Let me share. Because what I want to do is I had, I don't know where this da. Here is my music, and I was going to play my music. This is not working. Okay, that was.
And we're back.
Okay,
The
next
team is looking down the
stop.
barrel of a
So
455 Magnum.
that's the, okay. Now the paper is being passed from person to person while the music is going. Then when I stopped it, they had to look at what the question was. The person that was holding it when the music stopped had to answer. For instance, it might be, do you play a sport? And they would have to answer. Then I would give another one, and the people would have to pass it around again, and it went that way. Okay. Trying to see. Okay, new share. And here is my this. Okay. So that's what we did. Let me see if I can get this going again. This is not real well. Okay. And after we did that, I announced there would be no class on Monday, but we would be back on Wednesday, January 22nd. And in the meanwhile, you are to practice your vocabulary. Okay? You are practicing your vocabulary. Okay?